Hello mga kaguro, this is Sir Jory, your partner in guide in troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Epson L120 printer driver without your installation CD. All we have to do is to connect to the internet using our laptop or personal computer and then open your browser. And here on the search bar, type Epson L120 printer installer. And the first one that shows right here in the suggestions, which has a name epson.com.ph, is the website that we're going to choose. Okay, so ito na po yung website. It has Epson L120, and then here is the operating system that we will going to choose. So there's a lot of operating system present on here. So this will check if what are the operating systems that is compatible with Epson L120 installer or printer. So here, ito po siya yung may detected. So all you have to check here kung ano po yung operating system ang meron po kayo. So here in my end, Windows 10 64-bit. So I'll be choosing that one. And there are three options right here for you to check, and the second option, which is drivers, is the one that you have to click po mga kaguro. And then make sure na ito po yung operating system na present po or ginagamit nyo po while downloading or while you wanted to install. Okay, so here click the download button and then hit accept, and then choose right here in which folder you wanted to save this file. Here in my end, I wanted to save this one on my desktop and click save. Okay, make sure na tapos na po yung pag-download, and then here is the Epson L120 installer that we have just downloaded. Right click and then run as administrator lang po, and then hit yes. Okay, make sure that three checkbox are all checked mga kaguro, and then hit OK. And then you can choose here the language that you wanted to have in your Epson L120 installer. So here at my end, I wanted to choose English and then hit OK. And then click agree. So no need to read this license agreement mga kaguro, and then hit OK. Just wait lang po until it's successfully installed, because it is now installing mga kaguro. So make sure you have a good internet connection, and while you are installing also this installer mga kaguro, make sure you have your printer with you. Make sure it is turned on and then it is connected with your laptop or PC mga kaguro. So right here my end, since I don't have the printer with me, so I choose manual, and then you can check right here there are three printer port present in my laptop, because I am using right now a laptop. So the LPT1 is the thing that I have to choose, because this is where I have to plug in my Epson L120 printer. But it's okay po mga kaguro if anong printer port yung pipiliin nyo dito. Okay, because you can also try po in the USB slot present in your PC or laptop which one is working. So if you think that your USB slot in your laptop number 1 is not working, choose the USB slot number 2 or number 3 mga kaguro. So you can decide, it depends on your own po, and it depends on the condition of your laptop or PC where you wanted to use your Epson L120 driver. So here in my end, LPT1, and hit OK. And just wait for a while lang po mga kaguro until it's successfully set up. Okay. So make sure you have a better internet connection, and it is much better if you have your printer with you and turn it on and connect it to your laptop so that it will be automatically configured. Don't need to proceed to the manual installation. Alright? So here in my end, it shows here printer driver installation and port configuration were completed successfully, and hit OK, and we're ready to print the document. So let's try right here in this document if we can print using the printer driver that we have just installed. Alright, so it's successfully installed, mga kaguro. It's showing right here that Epson L120 series is ready to print because it has a green sign right here and it has a word ready. So if there's no ready message right here at the bottom, it means that you have to check the connection of your printer. Go into your laptop, make sure that your printer is on, and that's the way you can print a document. Alright? Hopefully that this video can help you in installing Epson L120 driver without your installation CD. So thank you so much for watching, mga kaguro, and have a great day.